The cartilaginous airways, known colloquially as the windpipe, are the first line of defense against environmental insults that would otherwise wreak havoc on our delicate lungs. The submucosal glands underline the airways, producing mucus and serous secretions to combat the blitzkrieg of bacteria and microbes we may breathe in. Moreover, these glands provide a protective niche to their cellular components, much like an air raid shelter. Pilot to bombardier, pilot to bombardier. But only recently have we begun to understand or appreciate the intricate glandular networks that house these cells with reputed regenerative potential. Yet, their identity remains dubious, and the relationship poorly understood. Perhaps, like a queen, they sit atop a hierarchy, this multipotent monarch giving rise to all heirs. Or perhaps, much like a democratic republic, a elected representative succors its constituents, and any cell may be elected to this role. To discern these relationships, we are utilizing cutting-edge omics techniques to tease apart these identities so that we may better understand the cells and their lineages.